Oh, hi there! Today we're designing a kitchen from scratch, and I'll show you how you can do it too, start to finish and easy as a breeze. Designing kitchens and home spaces have never been easier using my favorite software for 3D home design, Coohom. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Man and this is my dog Mars. And today we're designing a kitchen together using this game-changing tool that lets you visualize, tweak, and even manufacture your dream spaces faster than assembling an IKEA Billy bookcase. Trust me, it's super easy and anyone can do it. I'll show you how I designed a kitchen step by step, start to finish, choosing materials I like, and I got to visualize my designs with beautiful renderings in the end in just one click, and all of that in one place. It's honestly amazing what you can do with Coohom, and let me say that this is the equivalent of Legos for interior design enthusiasts, so let me just quickly introduce you to Coohom. Coohom is like the Swiss Army knife of design tools. Whether you're a pro interior designer, a DIYer obsessed with mood boards, or just someone who wants to finally convince their partner that yes, the couch can go on that side of the room. And yes, it will look gorgeous. Let me show you why this software is a permanent tool in my design toolkit. First up, instant visualization. Coohom's library is massive. Think IKEA's product range, but for everything. Cabinets, lightings, rugs, even tiny decor pieces. And guess what? You don't even need to be a tech wizard to use it. Literally anyone can do it. It's so simple. To show you how easy it is to use it, today I'm designing a kitchen using Coohom, and we're starting with the designing process right now, so let's go. Now, as you can see right from the start, this is what I love most about Coohom. It gives you so many options, so you can just start by using one of these pre-designed floor plan templates, or even use their pre-designed idea templates. Not to mention, you can even upload a floor plan right over here. But I want to design a kitchen and draw the floor plan from scratch, just to show you how simple and fun it is. So let's start by putting up the wall first. So I'm doing random measurements here, but you can do the exact measurements you want. Okay, so now I'm going to add some windows and doors. So we're just dragging them right here and right here. Also, we're choosing the flooring. I opted for this hardwood floor, but you can easily change it to tiles or just anything you prefer. Honestly, the options are endless. So we can move on to the fun part, which is finally starting to design our kitchen. Now let's start exploring the kitchen cabinets options. Let me just say that Coohom's interface is so intuitive. You can just simply drag and drop everything and just see how it works in the space. It's just so much fun. I honestly had so much fun while designing this kitchen, and you can just easily set the dimensions to fit your space. So after trying out a few options, I think I've set for a winner, which is this beautiful L-shaped kitchen. Now, I honestly don't really like the colors and the materials of this kitchen, so let's just pick another one. There are honestly so many options to choose from. Their material library has over 1 million textures and finishes, and it's so fun experimenting with everything and trying out different wood grains and colors. Okay, so this is perfect. I really like this. Now I also want to change the back wall and maybe install tiles. Ooh, I like these ones. So you can literally choose the exact dimensions and color of the tiles you want. So here I'm picking even a pattern with this like herringbony pattern. I mean, this already looks so beautiful. Now next, we are adding an island. Let's just scroll to the islands. I like this island actually. I think this will look great here. Yes, perfect. Perfecto. Now let's move to decor. First, let's add some lighting. I'm always talking about how important lighting is, so I'm starting with a lamp on the countertop. There are so many beautiful lamps to choose from their library, and you honestly can't go wrong with any of them. But I think I'll go with this one. Yes, it looks so good. I want this lamp for my kitchen. Also, let's add a ceiling lamp right above the island. Maybe this one? No. How about this one? Let's see. Yes, maybe we can shorten it a bit. Yes. This one fits perfectly. Love. I already love our kitchen. And now, maybe we can make it a bit homey. So we can add some decor for the kitchen. Maybe some cutting boards on that beautiful stone countertop we picked right over here and also here. Oh, and I just noticed that I left this corner empty, so I would love to add some sort of wine rack maybe. Even better, a shelf for some kitchen utensils or cups and plates. Yes, yes, yes. Just perfect. Loving this. Loving this. Now here comes the fun part. With only one click of a button, we are going to get renderings for our kitchen. You can just choose the angles you like and make as many photos as you like. And ta-da! Look at all of these photos. I mean, this is honestly amazing. This is just amazing. I have never been able to do this so realistically with any other software or app, and this is honestly where Coohom shines the most. Their photorealistic rendering engine is just insane. Just see how the light hits the countertop and just look at these shadows. This is so realistic. And I just love it so much. I've been designing spaces for such a long time, for my home, for my friends, and honestly, it's so hard to just imagine how a space will look like. I'm a really visual person and I just want to see everything before committing to it. And Coohom just makes everything so easy to visualize, and just you don't have to imagine everything since you're getting high quality photos of your space and of your designs, which is honestly amazing. And here's the genius part. Once your design is ready, Coohom turns it into production-ready files for manufacturers. I'm talking measurements, specs, and everything. No more lost in translation errors. Now let's talk about one more important aspect, which is the pricing. Coohom's free plan lets you test drive the basics, but their pro plan unlocks everything. From HD renders to even priority support, which means if you ever get stuck in any project and need some help, their one-on-one service team will help you and guide you to resolving the problem, which is honestly amazing. And all of that for only $25 a month. I mean, you get everything in one place, and designing any space is just super easy and so simple. That being said, whether you're redesigning your studio or apartment, or just want to play around and design different spaces, or maybe you want to start a design business, no matter what, Coohom is your secret weapon. Head on to Coohom right now to try it out, and if you want to get the pro plan, use the discount code I've left in the description box. Also, I want to mention that Coohom will be attending this year's Kitchen and Bath Industry Show 2025. So if anyone's going, you can meet their team there. And that's a wrap for today, guys. I really hope you liked my kitchen design and you liked Coohom as much as I did. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, along with what spaces you want me to tackle next. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers on Thursday for another IKEA video. Bye! Mars. Mars. Buddy. Hey. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, sleepy boy? Mars, did you like my kitchen design? Just leave me be, woman. Just leave me sleep. Okay, Mars. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Oh, you've been such a good boy. You've been such a good boy. Say bye, Mars. Bye.